What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to install eSign on iOS. Installing the eSign app on your iOS device allows you to easily sign and manage applications without the need for a computer or jailbreak. This process involves downloading the app, trusting its profile, obtaining a signing certificate, and importing your desired IPA files. Follow these straightforward steps to successfully install and utilize eSign for your app management needs. Step 1. Download the eSign app. To begin the installation process, you need to download the eSign app directly into your iOS device. This can be done by visiting a reputable source or website that provides the eSign application. Ensure that you are downloading from a trustworthy platform to avoid any security risks. Once you find the correct link, tap to initiate the download. Step 2. Trust the eSign profile. After successfully downloading the eSign app, you must allow your device to trust the app's profile. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select General, and scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Here, you will see the eSign profile listed. Tap on it and select Trust, confirming that you want to allow this app to run on your device. Step 3. Download the certificate. Next, you will need to download the necessary signing certificate for eSign. This certificate is crucial for ensuring that your app can be signed and installed correctly. You can typically find this certificate in a zip file from trusted online communities or forums focused on iOS development. Make sure to download it safely and store it in an accessible location on your device. Step 4. Import the certificate into eSign. Once you have downloaded the eSign certificate, open the eSign app and navigate to its file management section. Look for an option labeled Import or something similar. Tap this option and select the zip file containing your certificate. After selecting it, unzip the file within the app, which will prepare it for use in signing your IPA files. Step 5. Import your IPA file. With your certificate imported, it's time to add the IPA file you wish to install through eSign. Open the appropriate section of the app where you can manage files and look for an option to import or add an IPA file. Locate your desired IPA file within your device's storage and select it for import into the eSign application. Step 6. Sign and install the app. Finally, after importing both your IPA file and signing certificate, you can proceed to sign and install your app. In eSign, select the imported IPA file and tap on Signature to initiate the signing process. Once signed, follow up by tapping Install to complete the installation. Your app should now be ready for use on your iOS device. In conclusion, installing the eSign app on iOS is a simple yet effective way to manage and sign applications directly on your device. By following the outlined steps, you can enhance your app management experience, ensuring that you have the tools you need at your fingertips for seamless usage. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.